Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to redeem your Pandabuy points. So let's get in. On the top right hand side of your screen, you'll see your profile picture and you want to click on this. From here, you want to go and look for your user center, and on the left hand side here, you will go down to My Points. Now, if you do have a balance over here underneath the My Points, you can go ahead and you can tap on the Redeem Items. Okay, you will then enter in the redeem code and you can redeem these items with points. You can now also go to cnfair.com, and over here you can actually use your Pandabuy points to purchase products from the Pandabuy warehouse. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is one of these items, and you can just go ahead and you can then tap on the product. Over here it'll have a redeem with points item, and you can go ahead and then redeem the points and make a purchase of this item. Now, if this video was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.